Good day, my friend. You are welcome to my YouTube channel once again. I remain your host, Olajide. Today, I want to share with you what I have tagged crypto trading strategy for beginners. Crypto trading strategy for beginners. Now, before I go on, let me quickly make these few statements to you. Every crypto expert knows that there are no perfect trading strategy. There are no perfect trading strategy. And if there are no perfect trading strategy, why then do you need a strategy? You need a strategy because the space that you are coming into is a high risk investment trading platform. High risk investment trading platform that if you don't have a strategy with which you are trading in this space, you risk losing your money in the space. That's just it. You may lose your money if you don't have a strategy. Now, let me start by telling you that the number one strategy that you need is to ask yourself, what kind of trader do I want to be? Do you want to be a day trader? Those are people who trade daily, and those are the people that have the time, all the time, to give attention to the markets, to know what is going on every day, every minute in the market. If you are self-employed, if you are unemployed, if you are a student, you can actually come into those space as a day trader. The second is that you want to be an investor. An investor could be somebody who doesn't have all the time to trade, to be in the market, but they just want to buy for a long time. You can refer to my previous video. I explained extensively on this type of trader. Then the other one is, do you want to be an arbitrary trader? An arbitrary trader is somebody who have wallet in different exchanges, and he monitors the market on a daily basis based on the difference that exists between these different exchanges. He trade between exchanges and make money on the differences that existed in those exchanges. So that is the first thing that you must determine. What type of trader do you want to be? The second thing is, what platform do you want to trade? Is it on the order book or on the peer-to-peer exchange? If you choose order book, I gave you some example in my previous video like Binance, Quidas, FTX, Luno. Now, if you are trading, if you are trading on order books, you must also know which of the exchange you want to choose to stay and trade there. Likewise, if you are going to trade on P2P, you must choose the one that you want to trade and you trade there. You cannot be trading on Passful and you want to trade on Binance and you want to trade on Remitano at the same time. You must choose one and stay to it and master the dynamics of trading there. Number three, how do you want to trade? Do you want to trade manually by doing it yourself, or you want to do what we call HFT, high frequency trading, engaging the use of AI technologies, the robots? Is that what you want to do? You must determine that. Then, number four, you must also determine how much capital you want to bring into this space. It is very, very important. Most importantly, I advise you as a beginner, You don't come in with a huge amount of money into the space. You can come in with as small as 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 naira, and then use that to learn. It does not, I'm telling you this now, it does not matter how rich, how much you have in your account. Because you're a beginner, you don't push too much into the market, no matter what. Get that right. I counsel you, don't put more than necessary. The reason is that if you have 1 million, for instance, in your account, and you are introducing, I advise you to introduce like 50,000, 20,000 naira into the space. If you lose that, it will not hurt you so much like if you bring your own 1 million and you lose everything. It will pain you. But if you lose 20,000 naira, you can easily go back and take another 20,000 to continue trading. So that is very, very important. The next point is that having known the amount of capital you are bringing in, you must also determine the percentage profits you want to make on every trade. The percentage profit you want to take on every trade, you must determine it. 10%, 5%, 20%, 50%, you decide that. Some of us might be greedy. You want to take 100%. Good for you. The next point is that you must also know how much profit you want to make on a monthly basis and on a daily basis. Let's say, for instance, you are bringing in 50,000 naira, and with your 50,000 naira, you want to make 20,000 naira every month. That means you are going to divide 20,000 by 30 days. And once you divide it, that will give you around 700 naira per day. So you now know, okay, this is the percentage profit that I want to take. And if I'm taking this percentage profit, it's going to give me 50, 70, 100 naira per trade. If you have that, if you have 70 per trade, that means you are going to be trading 10 times. You are going to be going into the market, coming out 10 times for you to be able to realize your daily targets and then to be able to achieve your monthly target as well. Also, you need to also do a little research. And some of this research, there are apps that can help you to do that. For instance, if you can download CoinMarketCap app, and then WAZIX, WAZIRX, and then Coindex website or app too can also help you in that regard. And lastly, you need to also listen and read cryptocurrency news regularly. You need to do that. And let me also tell you this. Maybe this is the final strategy now. Don't invest just in one asset or coin. Make it 2, make it 3. No matter how small the money you are bringing in, make it 2, make it 3. By so doing, you are spreading your risk among those coins. So with this, I have come to the end of this video, and I want to also tell you that you should smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with your friends who will be interested in listening to it as well. And don't forget, this is not a financial advice. This is just a guide for you to come into this space. Until I come your way again next time, enjoy your day. Thank you.